Hi, Rail Fanning Adventures, January 25th, 2021 in Fremont, Nebraska. This is a westbound coming, and I think this might be the local coming back. I'm not really sure. It's too far out to be able to tell. Nope, it's definitely, I don't think it's the local. That's some big power in the front there. It is, we're in the middle of a winter storm here in Nebraska. And apparently it is wreaking havoc with Union Pacific and BNSF. Everything from them having a hard time getting crews to and from the trains with the taxi cab service to, oh, there's Missouri and Pacific reporting mark right there. Everything from them having transfer getting crews back and forth to having signals out, PTC's not working. So in these tanks, it is flammable 31170. This is the third train today, which is unheard of here. I believe this train is going to stop and do the crew change here. So we might have to stop this video and then start recording when they get going again. I don't know. We'll find out though. Let's find out what 1170 is. 1170. Ethanol. Alright. It says ethanol. So this is an empty ethanol train heading west. That was pretty cool. There was like an eagle spray painted on that. I think he's gonna stop. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the camera here and show you where the crew change takes place. We just pan west a little bit. There's actually a crew change building over there. Heated. It has like a cafeteria and break room in it. Lounge area for the crews while they're waiting to get on their trains, and when they're waiting for their taxis to go home or back to the hotel or back to the yard where they came from here in Fremont. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video right here, and I will start recording this when he gets going again. All right, Rail Fanning Adventures, January 25th, 2021. Alright, Rail Fanning Adventures continued with the westbound ethanol train, empty ethanol train. They stopped, they did their crew change here in Fremont, Nebraska, and they are slowly getting moving west again. Again, we're in the middle of a pretty significant winter storm here. I don't know if you can see, but the snow is about level with the top of the rail. This is a big, heavy rail. I say, I don't know, 7, 8 inches so far, and it's supposed to snow until tomorrow, and then we're gonna get hit again Wednesday, and then we're gonna get hit again this weekend. So, but it's Nebraska. Hey man, it snows here. I personally love it. I know a lot of people don't, but it's so much, snow is so much better than rain. So that's just my personal belief, because you can do just so much more in it, including donuts in your pickup truck. I'm just saying. I don't condone you doing donuts in the middle of the road, but you know, if you find an empty parking lot somewhere and choose to do figure 8 and donuts, so be it. Anyway, so I'm here in Fremont and I'm watching trains. This is number 3 today. Talking to a signalman for Union Pacific. This winter storm is affecting them across the board. They're having a hard time picking up and delivering crews out to trains because of the weather. They're having PTC problems. They're having all kinds of issues. So, I mean, it is unheard of for me to only see 3 trains in the amount of time I've been here. So that's pretty crazy. So, sit back and enjoy rail fanning adventures. Like I said, we're in Fremont, Nebraska. Anything that goes by we'll have video and pictures of, and I hope you enjoy. That was a different tank. I don't even know how to say it. I'm not even going to try. Let's see if we can get another one of them, though. That might be another tank that I need in O scale. Yeah, even though it's slow with the rail traffic today, I'm still having fun. I love doing this. I love trying to make people smile with my videos and pictures. I love chit-chat while making these videos. Oh, here we go. Yes, we get another one. There we go. Bioenergy. Abengoa Bioenergy. I need that in O scale. Wow, there's no buffer car at the end of this and or power at the end of this. Them two engines are doing this all on their own. Rail Fanning Adventures, Fremont, Nebraska. On this snowy Monday, January 25th, 2021. Alright, fourth train today is BNSF heading southbound. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, with foreign power. Yep. Here's my foreign power. With crude. Yep, crude. Yep, crude oil. This is a crude train heading south. This is the line that runs past my house in Lyons, Nebraska. It is the BNSF main line between Omaha and Sioux City. Again, this is a southbound crude train, flammable 3, 1267. Had foreign power on it, Norfolk and Southern. Alright, it's January 25th, 2021. We're in the middle of a winter storm, actually. It's Winter Storm Nathaniel, they named it. I'm here in Fremont, Nebraska, enjoying trains on this very, very snowy, cold Monday. Rail Fanning Adventures. Rail fanning for those who can't, changing the world one smile at a time. I know I'm making somebody smile with foreign power remark, that being NS here, but we don't really see them that often out here. So, you know, back home, that's all we saw. We get excited about BNSF and UP, but here we actually get excited about NS. So, I hope everybody's having a great Monday. I'm mashing videos together for your entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. I just had a westbound ethanol train, empty ethanol train on the Union Pacific side of the house that stopped into the crew trains here. I'm gonna make that video. That'll be the first part of the video, followed by this train. And I'll upload it to you guys out there in Facebook land, and please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit that magical number of 1,000 members. Trying so desperately, so hard. So please share the videos, share my YouTube link, like the videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. There's 1,800 members, over 1,800 now on the Facebook page, but only 308 members on the YouTube channel. So please, guys, subscribe. Thank you. Oh, and we got Canadian Pacific at the end of this. Look at that. Wow, BNSF, NS, and Canadian Pacific all on one train. Rail Fanning Adventures.